We are glad you've made it this far. You are on the way of getting your application scored. Just take a few simple steps. Prepare your historical data, upload it, and build a model. Then set a cutoff for your decision making. You can refer to our earlier tutorials where we explain it all in detail. But how do you integrate GiniMachine into your scoring workflow? Basically, the product has two operation modes: semi-automated and automated. Here is the semi-automated decision-making option. You upload new applications into the system by batches or one by one. Then you receive scoring results in a table form with a score and a prediction made by GiniMachine. This scoring interpretation inside every prediction aids decision makers and risk managers in quickly approving or rejecting applications, as they can see the analysis result for each evaluation criterion right in front of them. A good way to avoid biases in your scoring process. The final decision on the application is entered into your core system, and the manager moves on to handle the next applications. You wish to score application faster and avoid manual work? Let's consider the fully automated decision-making option. For this, GiniMachine has an API. It allows for data exchange with your internal systems. In this case, scoring happens instantly, and the operation managers work with their standard core interface. The result is a workflow that remains unchanged, but with increased speed in processing applications and the ability to handle a greater number of new loan requests. Meaning it doesn't require any expert knowledge in the field from you, making it easy to work with. Got integrated into your company's workflow? Gini easily complies with local regulatory laws. Anyone working with Gini will always understand why a decision was made on an application, and can rest assured knowing that all data is stored securely. Now, GiniMachine is offered in two versions: as a SaaS, deployed on our cloud, and as on-premises, for deploying on your local in-house server and local cloud provider. Selecting any of the deployment types, you gain a significant competitive advantage in operational speed, reducing application processing time from 3 applications per hour to 1 per second. Pretty impressive, isn't it? A complete description of the API is available on our website, or you can contact our IT team to implement automatic decision-making in your business. Just check out the contact detail in the description below. Push subscribe button not to miss our next GiniMachine tutorials.